Today, our starter conversation is about kind words. Remember to subscribe and comment your favorite kind words. Mine is, I'm happy to have you in my life. What is yours? Welcome to All About Family with Lydie Paul. Today we're talking about something powerful that starts at home. What if I told you that your words, the way you speak and respond, are shaping your child's brain development every single day? You see, children learn more from what we model than what we say. That means a calm voice, a calm face, a calm body are not just nice to have. They're essential tools for helping your child learn how to respond to the world. When we stay calm, we give our children a pattern to follow. We teach them that calm is possible, even when big emotions are present. Why does this matter? Because when a child is upset, scared, or frustrated, their brain goes into the part responsible for fight, flight, or freeze. That's where yelling, shutting down, or impulsive behavior come from. But when we model calmness, we invite them to use the thinking brain, which helps them calm down, reflect, and choose better actions. We're not just parenting behavior, we're shaping their brain function. And it starts with the words we use. Teach your child to use kind, positive words by showing them how. When you're talking to a neighbor, to your spouse, or even while driving, let them hear you speak with kindness. Let them that words can lift up, not tear down. Say things like, "Let's try again together. I see you're upset, and I'm here to help. Take a breath, we can figure this out." Those aren't just phrases. They're powerful tools that help your child access their best self. So the next time your child is having a meltdown or struggling to express themselves, remember, they need calm to find calm. Model the behavior you want to see. Speak with love, stand with peace, and use the gift of kind words, every day, in every way. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another parent who needs encouragement today. Let's keep building strong families, one kind word at a time.